Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. I'm bringing you this wig review today for PinkyPromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails, and you'll get a code to save 30%. You can also email support@PinkyPromise.com if you ever have any wig-related questions. So today I am showing you this super fun style by Belle Tress that I cannot believe I have never tried. I'm like the only person on the wig planet who probably hasn't tried this wig. But this is Peppermint, and the color on this one is Mocha with Cream. More on her in just a minute. Okay, let's start talking about this cute peppermint wig. Okay, so this is one of those wigs that I've had in my cart like a gazillion times. And then I went and watched a review and I was like, oh, I don't know if I want that. I don't know if I would wear that. I don't know, blah, blah, blah. You know, just second guessed myself and decided not to buy it. And then so many styles came out and I just kind of forgot about her. And so when Cheryl and I from Pinky Promise were talking about wigs to review, we wanted to show you guys, you know, the brunette tones for Belle Tress. I was like, I've never reviewed Peppermint. I've never tried her on. So I was excited that we got to include this wig as part of these reviews. So, and what a cute style. She is so cute. I see why she's so popular with so many of you, because she is super cute. She's super easy to wear. I love her low density. You know, Belle Tress wigs are low density, which is so nice, but she's got a really cool cut with some really awesome, you know, razor texture on the ends. She's just really, really pretty, and she's fun to style, and she's just easy. She looks very natural. So 2 thumbs up for this girl. I really recommend her. So, okay, I will do a turn so you can see her all the way around, and then we'll get into all of her specifications. So here we are from the front with Peppermint. Cute. Don't you love the cut? It's so cool. I like it. I love the way it makes the fiber lay. And this would be easy to care for with your heat tools too. You just run that flat iron over these, you know, ends when they start looking clumpy and, you know, whatever, worn, and you will get this girl right back into shape. So I love that. Okay, so here's my left, the back, my right, and back to the front. Okay, so Peppermint is a lace front with a left mono part. So we can look at the lace front. So they do place those lighter hairs on Mocha with Cream on the lace front. I don't feel like it's too heavy of a placement. I know with some of the colors, they really put a bunch of the blonde there and it's just too much. And so you know, you can see the brunette through, you can see the rooting through it. So I don't feel like it's too heavy of a placement for that. So, you know, just not too obnoxious highlight in the front, you know. And then she has the left mono part. Now out of the box, I did have to open up this part and I sprayed a little water on her, hit this with my hot blow dryer and got this part opened really, really easily. So that was nice, but you know, just remember you can do that with these heat-friendly fibers. You can use your hot air brush, your flat iron, whatever you need to do to get the hairs to lay in the right place, you know, so you can have her ready to wear. So really, really pretty. Okay, ear tabs. So I've got good coverage around the face. I was kind of wondering about this cap because the older style Belle Tress caps, a lot of them don't fit me that great. They're too big. So, but this one I'm pleased with. So ear to ear, it's fitting fine. Forehead to nape, there's a little bit of extra room because this is, you know, an average cap, but on my petite head, it's not too much extra room. And I haven't had to take in the adjusters. So, you know, it's fitting my circumference quite well, my 21-inch circumference. So, but I do feel like, excuse me, these caps do have a lot of stretch. So it's definitely average and, you know, going to accommodate over average as well. I'm sure some of you who are going to watch this review have experience. If you have a larger head size, let us know in the comments and let us know how you feel like the wig fits you. So, okay, so measurement wise for this one. Okay, so we have 8 inches here in the front. We have 11 inches on the sides here, 15.5 inches in the back. And then her nape is a 9-inch nape. So very manageable, nice length, gives you a little bit of length to style and play around with without being too long. It's also easier to care for. You know, just keep her combed with your wide tooth comb throughout the day. One key to these heat-friendly fibers, and really any synthetic fiber, is don't let them get all clumped up. Comb them. Keep them as unclumped as possible just with your comb. And then you can also work on that clumping with your heat tools. Okay, So here's that part up close. You can look at the interior of her cap. So she's got a lace front, like I said, and a left mono part. A little bit of hair on the inside of the cap too there. Sometimes you see that. So this is just closed lace up here, but no permatease. She has the lace covered ear tabs, so that is making the ear tabs just a little bit thinner, a little more flimsy, but I do feel like the metal's keeping them in place okay. But just something to note about this one. There's hair on the inside and the outside of the ear tabs. She's got an open wefted cap, pull adjusters. Hard to see on a black cap, but with Mocha with Cream with the dark rooting, you're gonna get the black cap. And then she has a soft felt nape that is not extended. So plenty of stretch in that cap. And yeah, stretching the circumference as well. Let's take a look at this beautiful color, Mocha with Cream. I have seen this on so many different skin tones and different people, and it's such a pretty color. And different skin tones tend to bring out the different colors that are in the wig itself. So it's got a lot of dimension to it. Beautiful, beautiful color. So Mocha with Cream is described as a caramel brown base with fine medium blonde, comma, cinnamon red brown, and light auburn highlights with a darker ash brown rooting. So you can see all that dimension. I see the blonde, I see the auburn, I see the caramely, cinnamony color. So really, really pretty. If you like a color that has a lot of dimension, this is a good color for you. Now the rooting on this one is dark, almost black. It's a very dark brown. I agree, it's a cooler, ashier looking brown, but definitely a darker root. That root's gonna show, of course, anywhere the hair is separated. It's gonna show around the face, not right at the lace front, but then when you get down here on the ear tabs, you're gonna see it. And if you go to put it up, you're gonna see it, under your nape and things like that. So that rooting is going to be all throughout the wig. The lights are really picking up the variation in the color. Okay, so here we are in just natural room light. So here you can see it starts to look more like a light brunette. Kind of a chameleon, this color. So different lighting is going to pick up different parts of the color. Let's look at styling and glasses and all that kind of stuff for Peppermint. So she's super easy to tuck behind the ears because she's very low density. She comes in a hand-tied cap also. So this is the regular original cap that they came out with, or the open wefted cap, but she does have a hand-tied cap. So if you want that, I think she probably has the, just like the Bellissima that I reviewed, the full mono top with the lace that goes down on the ear tabs. So, if that's what you want out of the style, then you can look into that. So, okay, glasses. Super easy. Go up on my head very easily. She's so low density. I mean, and look how natural she looks. Well, not right there, but hold on. She just looks so natural, like tucked behind the ears, she's just my hair, So she looks cute with a headband. And you can keep all the hair behind the headband if you want to, like, for working or whatever, if you need to be looking down so you don't have hair falling in your face. Or she looks really cute if you pull out some of these layers as well. So that front layer is long enough that, you can hold it with a headband if you want to. So she's so cute. Okay, and she looks really, really cute, pulled half up, half down. She's just super easy to style. Just easy to work with, and you know, the density is so low, it's just so nice. So she clips back really cute. And then she has enough length for a pony, but I think I would do low pony on her just because of the cut. When you try to do a higher pony, plus she doesn't have an extended nape, I think I would stick with low pony. So that looks cute. And then you could do like a low twist and then put a little clip in, get some little cute texture back there in the back too, you know. And if you just wanted to get the hair up off your neck, you could do that with her. So, but again, I would keep it low. Keep it down, you know, where you can keep that nape down. Because those textured ends, like the higher you get, they're gonna start being kind of sticking out and weird. So anyway, so cute. Okay, so thank you to Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information below this video in the info section. Thank you so much for watching, and take care of yourselves. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.